Yeah, so I mean, there's a
I
lot.
do my basement over at my personal house too, so I might come down and get some of that. Let's see what's up. I never thought about doing.
So I mean, if you're doing projects, you know, I mean,
yeah,
there's a lot of different
so
things
we
can.
We do a lot of these, man. We do a lot of these, man. I'm on. Like I said, that's my about 4th or 5th house with him. You know what I mean?
Who's doing? What are you doing? What part of it are you doing?
I buy them.
This is my partner, Lou. I don't know.
What's up? How you doing? Yeah, I do everything, all right? I buy them, basically buy pieces of shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And fix them up, man. The greatest things on the block, you know what I mean? That's what we do, man. We buy the eyesores on the block and
real estate?
Yeah, he's got a good real estate attorney. He's got some.
Yeah, my partner's a real estate attorney and shit, so I'm showing me that's trash, you know what I mean? So I don't even care what inside looks like, you know what I mean? What we get them for, so who cares what inside looks like? So I haven't even looked inside yet, you know? Who cares, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We have the people, so if we can't move together and make it work.